Hi there, this is Independent Sales Director Laura Burks from Glasgow, Kentucky. I am here to talk to you about step number 7 in our 12-step program. You are moving right along and I'm so excited for you. So this one is all about apps. That's right, apps on your phone. So I'm hoping that you'll be able to see the phone because I'm just going to show you my phone because we're going to talk about 3 different apps today that are going to be really helpful and essential in you building your business. The first app that we're going to talk about is Voxer Walkie-Talkie Messenger, and it looks like this. Now I have an Android, so if you've got an iPhone, it may just look a little slightly different, but it's going to look something like that on your App Store or in iTunes. So you want to make sure you download that. Once you download it and get your account set up, you can find me on there and probably your recruiter as well. For me, you're just going to search Makeup Lady Laura, and that is how you're going to be able to best find me. There it is, Makeup Lady Laura. So once you find me, you can click this little button right here, and that will allow you to send me a message by either tapping and talking or by holding it down to talk. I've got my application set on tap, so you just tap it once and it starts recording. When you first download your Voxer app, you may have to hold to record, but you can change that in your settings and it makes your life a little bit easier. Voxer is great because it is the way, and you can see lots of contacts in there, it is the way we can communicate with consultants. Using our voice but not having to be available for a phone call. So if you've got a quick question, you can send me a Vox. I can send you a Vox back. It doesn't matter if we're driving or what we're doing. I can just record a quick voice message and it sends it straight to you. You can also type and send pictures in the Voxer app, so it's just as convenient as texting, but sometimes can be a little bit easier. So that's number 1, is Voxer. The next app that I want to talk to you about is called the My Unit app. Let me pull that up for you and I'll show you what it looks like in your app store. So it's My Unit app. And it's going to look like this. My Unit app. So it's pink and it has cursive writing. It may look slightly different in iPhone. So that is what it's going to look like. Once you get that downloaded and installed on your phone, you're going to bring it up and it's going to ask you for a username. Well, I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it there. A username and password. Super simple. It's the letter U and then the letter U. 2 lowercase u's for username, same thing for password. You're going to sign in. And then it's going to look something like this. Again, depending on your operating system, it may look a little bit different. The best way to discover the things in this app is just to scroll through and look through things. So under the first category, Message from Laura, you're going to see messages that I send out. When I send these out, you're actually going to get a push notification on your phone. And so when I need to make important announcements about weekly workshops or other upcoming events, I'll typically do them there. The next one that's important would be team building. So if you're sharing the opportunity with anybody and you need a video to send to them, you can find lots of videos under team building. And as a brand new consultant, the new consultant tab is going to be really handy for you. There's going to be lots of information there. Our 12 steps are there. Other videos, training videos, lots of good stuff. So make sure you take time to explore all the categories on this app as well. See if you can see it, because there are several. Okay, the last app that I like to talk about is the Mary Kay My Customers Plus app. So let me pull that up in my app store. So it is called My Customers. So you would actually, in your app store, you're going to search Mary Kay My Customers Plus. And it's going to look like this. Mary Kay My Customers Plus. So once you get that installed, you do have to, I think, register on MaryKayInTouch.com to be able to use this app. I'm not sure for sure about that, but I'm pretty sure. It will have you create a PIN, so all of the information in here is kept secure. You have to enter your PIN every time you log in. and it's going to look like this. Now, there is an in-depth video you can watch later about how to best use this, but I just want to briefly go over the categories that I most frequently use. So in this, let's see here, there we go. The top one that says customers, that's where you're going to be able to file new customers and see your old customers' information, and you can't see it. There we go. Oh, almost had it. So you can see my customers are filed right there, and I can add a new customer by clicking on this button down here at the bottom and adding a new customer, okay? You can also keep up with orders. You can view a catalog to look up pricing. You can keep track of your inventory. You can set notifications. You can take notes, all kinds of amazing things in this app, which is free through December of 2017, and maybe even beyond that if you're watching this video from then. So you've got 3 apps. You've got Voxer, My Unit app, and My Customers Plus app. Once you have all 3 of those downloaded and you have found me on Voxer and you have set everything up, if you submit the prize voucher to let me know you've done all those things, you're going to get a money bag to keep up with all the money you're going to be making in your Mary Kay business. Hope you guys have a great night.